Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I gonna share a really great way to learn about GraphQL and like how I found it, right? Because as you guys know, few days back I featured Keystone.js. That is basically a CMS overpowered. They say it's not a CMS. It's kind of a backend. Also, it's provide an admin panel. It's a CMS. Whatever. There's a lots of things that it can do. Whatever. We are not talking about that today, but that uses GraphQL. And GraphQL is like completely new topic to me because I haven't used GraphQL before. Now, so I have to know about GraphQL a bit to be able to use it, like use Keystone.js. Like I am totally fascinated with Keystone.js now with its compatibility and all. Though there are some issues that I am finding out, but whatever. I am trying it. I will try my best, and to do that, I need something to learn about GraphQL as well, right? Like there are YouTube videos I know, and I like love to learn from videos a lot. But here is a really great source that I have found out. So let's just visit the website. Okay. So this is the website where you can basically learn about how to GraphQL and the full stack tutorial of GraphQL. And as you can see it here, they have said it here like brought you by the GraphQL community and Prisma. And Prisma is pretty much another great interesting thing that I gonna maybe feature a bit later. I have to have the grasp of Prisma first to share it. I'm not sharing it right now, but I will obviously share. And Keystone JS also supports Prisma. Mm, so whatever, we are talking about GraphQL today. So this is really intuitive. As you can see it here, they have two things like introduction, GraphQL is why GraphQL is better than REST, core concepts, and big picture. And they have advanced GraphQL things also like client server, more concept, tooling ecosystem, blah blah blah. And they have front end also, React with URQL. Like I don't know how you pronounce it. This is totally new to me. And React with Apollo as well. And for backends, they have GraphQL Node and uh, Node TypeScript Helix, GraphQL Elixir, all of the things. Okay, but mainly for front end, React with Uricle. Wow, Uricle. I don't know. Whatever, and React with Apollo as well. So basic things are same, like introduction and all, client server, blah blah blah, and all, those are all same. Now the main thing happens when you try to learn about those things. Like if you want to learn about front end, they will set a different path for you. Here is your path. Here are two options, as you can see. One is Apple. Wait, one is Apollo. uh I'm not trying to click it. Okay, one is a React and urql urql whatever, urql whatever, I don't know, and other things as well, and React plus Apollo. Okay. So obviously things will get changed, like paths will get changed according to the thing you choose. Okay. And if I choose like basic Node.js and GraphQL that everyone learn, then the graph path is also different. Okay. So every one of them have different paths, and I like this path basis thing because that's great. And rather than that, you can see what are the paths in every other like system here. Okay. Here it is like React plus Apollo, React plus Relay, Node.js. So there are other paths as well. Okay. So that is a great thing as well. So actually that's about it. That's about it about this website. I'm gonna start learning about GraphQL as soon as possible because I need to know about it now. And I really don't know much about the whole database thing. So I have to learn all of this now. So I gonna start for sure. That's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. This is a great resource. Like, mark my words, you gonna have so much value from it. I'm like, I'm totally positive about this website. So use it. Let me know if you like it or not. And if you know about some of the great, what, it is not a tool, like great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.